Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PCGO Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see our important scholarship IET awards, and this particular award scholarship has been sponsored by the Institute of Engineering and Technology, the IET India Scholarship Awards for the year 2021 and year 2022 for undergraduate engineering students. And the last date is 15th August 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra. It is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. The IET India Scholarship is award has been designed by the Institute of Engineering and Technology, that is IET short form, that aims to recognize and nurture the future engineering leaders of India. The deadline is 15th August 2021. And now we will see first about this particular program, the IET India Scholarship Award. This is the fifth edition of the award that will be given to undergraduate engineering students to reward their creativity, innovation, leadership, and excellence. So these are the four important things: creativity, innovation, leadership, and excellence. So here they are going to take your test. So you have to take it to the participation, the zone wise, there will be a competition is there. And in that competition, if you go in that, then you are going to get the worth of 5,000 rupees. Yes, the student who are in the first year, second year, third year, as well as fourth year of engineering program can avail these scholarship worth up to rupees 5 lakh rupees. And the deadline is 15th August. The open for the students studying in the first, second, third, and fourth full-time regular undergraduate engineering program in any field approved by AICT or UGC. Application must be clear all regular credit courses in a single attempt. Remember, it should not have any gap. An applicant must be score at least 60% in aggregate. So that is the first class. So, or it is equivalent to CGPA of at least 6.5 of on a 10-point scale in the semester clear so far. Applicant must be obtained more than 60% marks or equivalent grades in classes 12, those who are there in the first year. Now see the first important eligibility for that. The application is open for all IET member or non-members for all branches of engineering. All branches, it has not been restricted for some branch. It is will allow for all the branches of engineering recognized by AICT or UGC. There are no age limit criteria to apply for the IET India Scholarship Award. The scholarship is open for all IET members as well as non-members. All branches of engineering recognized by UGC, AICT are recognized to apply. Candidates who participate in this previous year of scholarship are eligible to apply. Means those who have already taken the part into this particular award scholarship in a second year or third year, they are also allowed in the fourth year. Means any one of the year he has applied, now he wanted to take again a part into this particular award scholarship, he is eligible and were not national level winner or runner up. Yes, he should not be a national level winner or runner up. BTech student joined by the lateral entry in the second year are also eligible to apply. Those who are directly taken after the 12th and those who have completed the diploma and after the diploma directly take admission into the second year. These diploma candidates are also be eligible to apply in this scholarship award. There are the two separate categories under this scholarship schemes. One is general category and second one is women category. Note now, women engineering students are allowed to apply both the categories. Yes, women will be there. They are eligible to apply in the both category, general category as well as the women category. In case a candidate gets selected in both category, she will only be awarded for only one of the category, subject to the decision of our IET jury panel. The IIT India scholarship rewards an amount. What is the rewards will be there and what is the amount for that reward. The IIT India scholarship will be awarded to the both national and a regional level. More information regarding the price and benefits we are going to see now. The total amount for the both the national and regional will be estimated to Indian rupees 8 lakh rupees. Yes, first we'll see what is there in the regional level. First prize winner per region. There are the four regions are there. Per regions in general category there are the four winners, and women category again there are the four. General category four, women category four, and the amount will be 40,000 to each plus certificate. And second prize winners per region, again four regions are there. Four for the general category, four for the women category, and Indian rupees 20,000 for each plus the certificate. So this is on the regional level. Now we'll see the national level. Those who are winner again, they can go for the national level also. The first prize winner per region, that is the four regions are there. That is general category 1, women category 1. Amount will be Indian rupees 75,000 to each plus certificate, and second prize winner per region, and there are the four regions. So general category 1 and women category 1. So Indian rupees 60,000 to each plus certificate. Note, in case a candidate win the scholarship in both national as well as regional level, he or she will be felicitated with the certificate for both the levels and will be awarded with a national level prize money. That is clear now. Yes, if he has done on the both, but he will be given the national level. The IET India scholarship application process. The eligible student can apply for the scholarship scheme through IET India scholarship portal. While applying, a candidate must fill up the following details, upload and scan the copy of the documents. Yes, what are the applications which are there? In that you can see now the personal information, contact details are there, provide email IDs, enroll the university seat number. It can be your university registration number, permanent registration number, MIS number, or enrollment number. The scholars will be selected strictly on the basis of the merit. Four stages of selection and its criteria we given as now is online application. First, on that online application, under the scholarship scheme, 60% of weightage is reserved to the academics, 20% for the extracurricular activities, 10% will be given for organizing or coordinating lectures or seminar, industrial visit. 10% of the weightage is reserved for coordinating activities of professional bodies, membership in professional bodies, any professional body, office bearer, contributing to professional bodies by giving paper presentation, etc. Note, shortlisted student of the stage 1 will be notified through register email. Online test now. Online test can be taken from anywhere in India. No corner will be allotted for the test. No center will be allotted for the test. Candidate will be notified regarding the date and time of the online test. There will be 50 multiple choice questions with the test duration is 70 minutes. The test will be of 8 subjects such as mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science, electrical, electronic, civil, and mechanical. Note, there will be a cutoff mark for each regional level decided by the national jury, and applicants will be shortlisted based on the cutout marks. Then the regional level assessment on the third stage, shortlisted candidate will have a to give a presentation on a specific topic decided by the jury. The topic will be based on solving a current social challenges in the specific regions. The topic shall be announced to the candidate through the proper medium at least 10 days in advance in order to them to prepare, and the deadline for this filling the form is 15th August. And there will be four regions for the assessment: south, north, third one is east and northeast, and the last one is west. So south, north, east and northeast and the west. So these are the four regions. 5. National finals. Selected students on the stage 3 can be appear for the final. Student will be asked to prepare a presentation regarding their vision and solution. It should be on engineering problem that has be relevance to the society. It will be also consist of a group of discussion along with the finalists, and the topic of the GD will be given on the day of the national finals. The IET India scholarship important documents that will be required, that has to be done. And now contact numbers has been given: 080 4089 2222 plus 9180 4089 2231. So these are the things which are the contact details will be given in the description. And those who are there, I am preparing this one for the just creating the awareness among the engineering students. The engineering students has to go to this IET India scholarship portal and he has to check it out. The website address has been given, and thoroughly he has to go through this and show your passion, vision, yes, and your creativity and the leadership qualities. So address of this particular contact: Institute of Engineering and Technology, unit number 405 and 406, fourth floor, West Wing, Raheja Tower, MG Road, Bangalore 560001. So this is the address. And how to apply? You have to go for this Buddy for Study. This is the gateway for the scholarship portal. This scholarship portal is there. You have to go on this portal. You have to go register over there and register with your email ID, mobile, Facebook or Gmail account. And after that, you have to go to that page, fill all the details, register over there. And once you fill, check it out, the details 1 or 2 times, upload the documents, and after that you have to submit this one. Once you are registered, log using your registered email and password and continue to fill the personal details, academic information, professional activities, co-curricular activities in the scholarship. These are the important points are there: professional activities, co-curricular activities, academic information. These are the important things. If these are having the important marks are there. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the review. You have to see whatever the information you have filled. This is the correct, or if you want to make some changes. Once you have okay, then you have to make the press the button submit and your application will be goes. So no need to make it in the last day. You have to go and do it systematically, prepare your draft properly, and best of luck those who are going for this particular scholarship, IET India scholarship. And this is the very important. Once you do this one, you will learn so many things from this particular scholarship. You're not only are going to get this scholarship in the certificate or the prize which has been given, but from your your personality will be completely transformed, showing your innovation, creativity, leadership qualities, vision, and your thoughts. I hope you'll enjoy my video. Thank you.